What's up guys? In this video, we are going to talk about the different SiteGround hosting packages, and you'll learn exactly which package is right for you. Like I talk about in a lot of my videos, SiteGround is one of my preferred hosting providers for anyone who is starting a blog or a website. They have great customer service, great site speed, and overall, it's just a great price for the quality that you're getting. I've looked into a lot of different hosting providers, and SiteGround is one of the best out there for pretty much any website need that you might have. So let me walk you through a few of the different packages, and we'll talk about which package is right for you depending on what your needs are and what your goals are with your blog or business. There's a link right below this YouTube video that will take you to SiteGround and give you access to some awesome promotional pricing plans. But when you get to SiteGround, you're gonna see some different hosting options. Right here on this home page, there's web hosting, WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, and cloud hosting. Now these are all different types of hosting packages, so you might be asking yourself which one of these is for me. Now, web hosting would be a great option for small, like they say here, or medium sites that are hosted on any type of platform. WordPress hosting is optimized for WordPress websites. I teach the recommended method of building a blog on WordPress with SiteGround hosting. So this package right here is the perfect package for anyone who is interested in starting a WordPress blog. Over here you've got WooCommerce hosting, which is more of an e-commerce platform that you can run through WordPress. There's also cloud hosting, which will help you get better performance if you need a premium hosting package, because maybe you're going to be getting a lot of traffic to your new website. For our purposes, you're probably going to want to go with the WordPress hosting package if you're starting just a standard blog or website. So let's click Get Started and see what options we have from here. Now, here are 3 different packages or plans for the WordPress hosting. You've got the startup plan, which is a really great promotional price here of $3.95 a month. Now, like I said, you can get that price through the link right here on this video. There's also the Grow Big plan and the Go Geek plan. Is what I teach everyone and is what makes the most sense for anyone who's getting started with a new blog or website is to start right here with the startup plan, because you can always upgrade your plan as you need to. So you'll see right here that you'll get an initial 10 gigabytes of web space. That's for uploading images and files and blog articles, anything that's storing data on their servers. You got 10 gigabytes right there. And they say here as an estimate, you can count on comfortably handling about 10,000 visits per month. So once you're looking into your Google Analytics and you see, hey, wow, I'm getting over 10,000 visits monthly to my blog, maybe it's time to upgrade. You can simply go into your SiteGround dashboard and upgrade to the Grow Big plan. And then the same thing. After you outgrow the 25,000 visits monthly, then you can upgrade to the Go Geek plan. And it just works like that. There's even better, like I said, hosting servers after you outgrow the Go Geek plan that you can upgrade to as well. But upgrading a plan within SiteGround is not difficult. It's just a matter of pretty much changing your billing, and they might have you wait a couple hours. Usually they'll do it during the middle of the night so it doesn't affect your traffic. And then in the next morning, you'll be ready to go. You won't really need to change anything. So SiteGround, guys, for WordPress is a great hosting option. Like I said, the WordPress startup plan is going to be great for whatever your website needs are. Even if you're not blogging, but you are creating your blog or website with WordPress, I would highly recommend looking into this WordPress hosting. You can see right here, it is officially recommended by WordPress themselves as a very good hosting provider for WordPress blogs. All right, guys, if you're ready to start your blog, make sure you check out the links below this video for SiteGround, and I've got a full tutorial to teach you exactly how to start a blog with WordPress and SiteGround. It's a full step-by-step tutorial to walk you through the entire process. So go check that out if you're ready to start your blog or website. If you like this video, guys, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're coming back to see our upcoming videos. And we've got a lot of videos already posted on the channel to help you strategize and build your online blogging business. So go take some time to browse through some of those videos. I'm sure you'll find some useful videos that you can learn from and enjoy. I'm Andy, guys. You're watching Learn How. We'll see you in the next video.